Google just had one of its biggest leaks ever, and yet the response has been underwhelming. We now have high-quality renders of the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL, months ahead of their official launch. But strangely, these images haven't sparked the usual excitement. Instead, most people just glanced at them and moved on. No major debates, no heated discussions, just silence. So what's going on? Is Google really playing it safe, or is there something bigger hiding behind the scenes? It's hard to ignore the fact that the Pixel 10 series looks incredibly familiar. Sure, the standard Pixel 10 is getting a third rear camera, but apart from that, you need a magnifying glass to spot any real design changes from the Pixel 9 lineup, and that's a problem. Google has always been known for shaking things up. Last year, they surprised everyone by moving from a two-model strategy to three, so why would they suddenly settle for something so uninspired? The Pixel 10, 10 Pro, and 10 Pro XL just don't seem exciting enough to be Google's only move in 2025, and that's where things get interesting. Think about Apple and the legendary Steve Jobs. His one more thing moments were iconic, always keeping the biggest surprises for last. Now, no one expects Google to copy that playbook exactly, but what if they're holding back something game-changing? What if there's a fourth Pixel 10 model we haven't seen yet? This isn't about another foldable like the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. No, this could be something entirely new, a Pixel 10 Air, a Pixel 10 Edge, a device that breaks away from the usual Pixel formula and embraces the growing trend of ultra-thin smartphones. Look at what Samsung is doing with the Galaxy S25 Edge. Look at Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air. There's a clear demand for thinner, lighter phones, and right now, Google isn't in that race. The Pixel 9, for example, is noticeably thicker and heavier than its competitors. At 8.5 millimeters and 198 grams, it makes Samsung's S25 look like a featherweight at 7.2 millimeters and 162 grams. Even the massive iPhone 16 Pro Max is thinner. If there's any major brand that should be seriously considering an ultra-thin smartphone, it's Google, and they've done it before. Remember the Nexus 6P? That was just 7.3 millimeters thick, right in the sweet spot for a sleek, powerful phone that doesn't compromise too much on battery life. If Google brought something like that back under the Pixel branding, it could change everything. Of course, Google has never really cared about being trendy. They focus on smart software, AI-driven features, and experience-first approach rather than making the thinnest or flashiest gadgets. But the smartphone industry is evolving. Users want both power and portability. A Pixel 10 Air wouldn't need to be the absolute thinnest device on the market. It just needs to be noticeably slimmer than the current lineup. There's no solid leak or insider report confirming this yet, but given the lackluster response to the leaked Pixel 10 designs, it just feels like something is missing. Google has been known to surprise us before, so could a Pixel 10 Air be the twist we're all waiting for? So, what do you think? Is Google secretly working on an ultra-thin Pixel 10 Air, or are we just hoping for something that will never happen? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. 5 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 gigabytes models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, while the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.